Hi, I'm Nicole Nelson, and I'm a graduate of the Free Mama Movement. Today, I just want to give a quick testimonial to Lauren Golden and her Free Mama Movement program. I am a mom of 6 kids. My kids range in ages from 9 years old to newborn. So I literally started the program in June. I think it was June. Yeah, it was June. And finished, 12 weeks later, whenever that was. I got my t-shirt in the mail and then had a baby. So it's taken me a little while to get to this video. But if it's something you're on the fence about, I really do recommend that you just take the plunge and move forward with it. Pretty much the whole time I've been a mom, so the last 9 years, I've been searching for something that I can do from home. I've been part of an MLM. I've had a blog and still have a blog, but that's a hobby, doesn't pay any bills. I write in it. That's personal. And I've just done some random things over the years. Nothing that's been able to stick. I haven't been able to do traditional employment due to various life circumstances. And so I come across the idea of a virtual assistant a couple of times over the years, but there was nothing that really stuck out to me as a program or a course that I should do. So when I came across Lauren's course through a friend of mine, the whole aspect of it being geared toward moms was huge because nothing else has that. How do you balance the work-life reality of having kids and trying to run a business? So being part of the Free Mama movement, it helped me see that reality. I'm also the type of person that needs direction in the sense of what to do next when it comes to personal aspirations. So Lauren has a ton of free things out there. And you could probably piece it all together and figure it out. And I know a lot of people have. For me, I really appreciated how her videos took you by the hand and walked you step by step. It helped increase my confidence. It gave me the direction I needed and kept me from second guessing myself. So I know, okay, today we're going to work on this aspect of my business. Tomorrow we're going to work on this next part, and so on and so forth. So if you're like me and need that type of hand-holding and direction, definitely, you have to have this course. So since starting the program, I do have one client. I backed off from promoting myself much with having the baby, so I am about to get back into things and work on getting a few more clients. But I've been working with this first client since August. Yes, August was our first month. So that was only 2 months after starting the program. So again, if you're on the fence about it, just take the plunge and you will not regret it.